What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my very first car meet for this year, so I'm pretty excited. This is the UW car meet I've been waiting for, and there's gonna be lots of people, I heard. So I mean, there's a Skyline R34 GTR right here, ladies and gentlemen. How beautiful is that? I mean, just look at how beautiful this is. This is just amazing. With Nismo wheel. One day for sure, man, I'm gonna get this car. So if you guys haven't know, I actually just bought this car, my new 2006 Acura R6 Type S. And look who parks next to me, huh? You want to introduce yourself?
I'm Jensen. I drive this 2002 Acura RSX.
Nice.
For about 3 years now.
Woo! That R6 gang is real right here, boys. That is so good. Remember this one. Look at the Watanabe wheels on. Jesus, that's straight back though. Yes, sir! Yo, look at this Dodge Charger, guys. Some freaking bags. Woo! It's so damn nice, the Type R. Look at this. No way.
No, dude, if you've ever sat in this thing, it's like sitting on your grandma's couch.
Really?
It's amazing. You let everybody sit there.
Nice. I don't know if you guys remember this car from last year. One of the meets that I went to. 240 single turbo 2JZ. This thing shoots flames. Flames. Look who this guy is, huh? Oh, look who it is.
How you doing?
What's up, man? I'm doing good, man. How about yourself?
Pretty good.
Yeah, good to see you, man. Oh, a gray Type R. Never seen it before in my life. Look at this RX-7. GTR with RB26 in it, twin turbo. Freaking Christ, dude, this is nice. There's so many right-handed drive S13s. What? This is like the fourth one. Oh, look at this NSX. Dude. Of course, cameras start rolling. Hold on. One more. Come on, man. Come on, dude. Hey, you made my R6 cry. You made my R6 cry, man. What you gonna do about it, bro? Freaking Viper right now. This is insane, boys. Get it! Oh, check this Mazda AZ1, dude. That's freaking sad. Just look how tiny this thing is. Dude! Jack Ultra's here. This camouflage Focus RS. Nice. Look who it is, sir. What's up, dude? How you been, dude? Good. You really lucky. I was like, where the hell? Jack Ultra right here. There you go. Look at this Minty. The championship white Civic Type R, baby. Do a burnout!
just happened?
Dude!
Classic Mustang. Dude!
And that'll do it for today's video. Now, I don't think we're gonna have any more of the UW car meets anymore because the owner of the UW car meet got really mad that we're doing burnouts, you know, just mean burnouts, you know, fat burnouts as you guys saw there, and just revving our engine. So he got mad, so I don't think we're gonna have any more of the UW car meet anymore. But I mean, I just had a great time there. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Other than that, I just want to say thank you so much who have those supporting my channel. It just means a lot to me. So thank you so much. Other than that, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.